Hi everyone, my name is Sylvester Luoch. I'm here with Ezra Nyankira. We both work with the Easy Drain Care products. And real quick, I'm having a conversation here with Ezra, and we just want to go through a few things about the bed we are sitting on. So maybe Ezra, just to start, why this blue silicone?
Thank you, Mr. Sylvester. My name is Ezra, as you have heard. This silicone, we picked silicone to use on our products simply because we realized that a lot of people are allergic to regular rubber or any other products. They are less allergic to silicone. That's why we chose to use silicone versus any other rubber like latex.
Okay. So you call this extension from the latex soccer skirt. So just for the benefit of people like myself who are not in the healthcare industry, why the soccer skirt on this Easy Drain Care bed?
Well, the soccer skirt is to help catch any urine which might overflow from the drainage system. And instead of it making the whole bed wet or spread or spill to the floor, the soccer skirt will catch that urine for hygiene purposes.
Some beds in the healthcare industry have got a continuous rail, but as we can see, this has two sets of rails in the length of the bed. So why two sets of rails?
Well, it could be cosmetic, but also functionally, you will find that some people can get themselves out of bed, but they need something to grab on to assist them. And if the bottom rail is down, they can use the top ones to get themselves out of bed or reposition themselves. It's more user-friendly versus the full rail.
Okay. This bed actually just provides solutions to incontinence. Once a patient has used this bed, the urine has gone down from this surface. Where does the urine go?
The urine go to a correction funnel, which is under the mattress, and it's directed to the correction tank, which is sitting right there for the caregiver to empty later.
Maybe we should get up now. A lot of beds come with one complete unit of a mattress. Why did you choose to have 3 pieces of a mattress instead of having just one continuous mattress with the centerpiece perforated?
Well, that was the original idea, but then we realized that if we are going to have one full mattress, means if you have used the product and it needs cleaning, you have to take the whole mattress off the bed and go clean. That's cumbersome. And sometimes this middle section, for some reason, it might need to be replaced. It's easier to replace a small section versus the whole mattress.
In a lot of care facilities or in hospitals, the patient output, especially of urine, is very important. How does your collection tank play a role in monitoring urine output?
In most cases, people who have catheters, they have a bag which is graduated, so you can see how much output is in there. But if you're using a diaper, all that soaks into the diaper, you cannot measure that output. You can just look at the diaper and guess how much or that the patient has been wet. But with our product, most of the urine will go down and you will see the amount which is in there. Even though some of it will stay back and evaporate, it won't be that much. You will be able to get a fairly accurate measure of the urine.
So real quick, just role play. Assuming you're not the person producing or selling this bed, and you are in a care facility or you are in a hospital, and you are making a decision to buy this bed, why would you consider this bed over any other traditional hospital bed?
I will consider this bed for various reasons. One, comfort. if I was to use a bed, or if I was to be in a position where I have to use a unit like that, I would rather have a bed which drains the urine, I remain dry, and it can be taken care of later, versus sitting in my urine.
So, just to wrap up, every product, everything you use in life has the cost, the benefits, the purpose, and why it really came into being. So based on what you have heard, you've heard what the benefits of this kind of bed is, what the purpose is. It came about just to solve incontinence problems. I just want Ezra to tell you one final thing, the introductory price of this bed, and then you can think for yourself whether it's worth it. And hey, I want you to think it's worth it so you can buy it.
Well, the bed, the unit, with everything which is needed for the unit to function properly, is $3,600, and for the home edition, it's $1,800. It's that.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
Thank you.